Mabuhay! Kumusta? Magandang gabi. Today I have a very, very special treat. I have the national dish of the Philippines. That is adobo. There's different versions. There's adobo chicken, there's adobo pork, and there's adobo isda or fish. I've got the pork version. Adobo originates from the word adoba, which is Spanish for marinate. The adobo is very special because it's used actually for us Philippines, different versions, but they all have soy sauce, vinegar, and garlic. This one has onions. Some people have it with potato, and there's 7,000 islands in the Philippines, so each region has a different version of this recipe. And this is the national dish, and it's delicious, and I'm going to try it right now. This is pork or baboy. It's delicious. It's tangy, it's sweet, slightly salty. It's delicious. Of course, it being the Philippines, it's with rice. In the fiesta time, the times of Easter or Christmas time, they have big parties and lots of people all get together because it's very communal. And they have a big, it's like a cauldron, and they have the meat, they have the rice, and it all comes in a big pot, and everyone shares it, and it's really community based. This is delicious. Love the sauce. The sauce is very tangy and delicious. You can have the dry version without the sauce. I like it with sauce. It's delicious. Masa wrap. Alright guys, quick video just to show you the national dish of the Philippines. Let me know in the comments, how do you make your version of this classic dish? Alright guys, until the next time, in get car, take care, bye.